Hi friends, welcome to Srisai online training. So today in this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topics. So the topics what we are going to discuss today in core Java programming language will be setting Java path in Windows operating system, and then verifying Java path in Windows operating system. Right. So first of all, let us start with what is this setting Java path in Windows operating system environment variables. Right. So in Windows environment variables, we have to set the Java path. Okay. So Windows OS environment variables. So here we have to set the Java path. So after installing Java Development Kit in our system, we have to set this Java path in OS. OS means operating system environment variables. Right. So this Java path setting allows us to write and execute Java programs in our system. Okay. So in our system from any drive or folder. Okay, so from any drive or folder means from C drive or D drive or G drive, which is our working directory. So our working directory is, okay, my PC G colon core Java online programs. So I've created one folder here, programs. So from here we are going to write and execute our programs. Okay, so from any drive or any folder we can write and run our Java programs. So but before that we have to set the Java path. So in general words, it is like taking permission from operating system. Okay, it is like taking permission from operating system to work with developing Java programs from any directory or any drive. So why we have to set the Java path? Okay, right? So our Java development kit is installed in C colon program files, under that Java, under that JDK 14, under that bin directory. Okay, or Java folder. So here it is installed. So our Java development kit is installed in this folder. So it means that we should work with Java programs only from this folder. Okay, so it means Java programs programming works from this folder only. But if we want to develop Java programs and run Java programs from any folder, we have to set the path. Okay, so hence if Java path is set in Windows OS environment variables, then we can work with Java programs from any drive or folder. So that is what is the speciality of setting the Java path. Okay, so what is the use of Java path? Okay, so the use of JavaPath is, okay, so this is use of JavaPath. So JavaPath setting provides information to OS about compilation and execution files of Java, okay, and allows the user for developing and executing Java programs from any folder or directory or drive. So this is what is the advantage of setting the Java path, taking the permission from operating system and telling the operating system that we are going to develop new Java programs and execute the Java programs from any folder or any directory or drive. So this is what is Java path setting. But where is the Java path? Okay, so the Java path is here. So go to my computer, C colon program files. So under program files, Java folder, JDK 14.0.1, under that bin folder. So here we'll have Java path, and here we'll have Java C command and Java command. So these two commands helps us to compile and run Java programs from any drive or any directory or folder. So this path we have to set it. Okay, so just click on the address bar, okay, or the Explorer address bar and copy this path. So this is a path, select that path and copy it. Right, so once you copy that, paste it in your notepad for safe side. Okay, so here is Java path. Okay, so this is our Java path which we are supposed to set it in our OS environment variables. Right, so now let us try to understand what are the different steps for setting Java path in Windows operating system and taking the permission from operating system to develop Java programs and run Java programs from any drive, any folder or any directory. So first we have to right click on my computer or my PC or this PC, okay, and select properties. So let us try to do that. So let us go to the desktop. On desktop, right click on this PC, select properties from the last option. Right, so when we do this, we'll get system properties window. Okay, so in this system properties window, we have to select advanced system settings on the left side, this one. Okay, right, so when we select properties, system properties window is displayed. Okay, and in that we have to select advanced system properties. Okay, right, so select advanced system properties. Okay, fine, so here you will get system properties window. Okay, right, so when we do this, okay, in system properties window we have to select environment variables. So here we'll get system window is displayed. Okay, so system information window is displayed previously, and now when you click on advanced system settings, you will get system properties window. In that we have to select environment variables button. Okay, right, so let us go to that system properties window and select environment variables button. Now in environment variables, we have two types of variables: user variables, system variables. Okay, so user variables and system variables. Okay, so we have to set the path under system variables, because when we set the path under system variables, Java development can be used by any user of a system. But if you set the path under this one, user variables, then Java can be used only by that particular user. So that particular user is something like administrator or office user, or something like Ramesh user, or something like Suresh user. So it is better to set the path under system variables. Okay, all users of the systems can work with Java developing and running programs. So under system variables, we have to select path variable. Right, so this is the path variable. Okay, so after selecting the path variable, we should click on edit. Okay, so by mistake also, we should not click on delete. So if you click on delete, the existing path which is already there will be deleted. So this will be deleted. So when existing path is deleted, other softwares which are installed in your system, they will stop working. Okay, so better don't click on delete, click on edit. We should click on edit. Okay, right, so when you click on edit, you will get all the list of paths which are already set here. Okay, so we have Oracle path, we have MySQL server path, we have MySQL server 5.0 path. We also have path for other different softwares which are installed in the system. Okay, I already have a path for JDK 1.8. I will select that and click on delete. Okay, right, so just select the existing path. So you guys no need to select that path when you are doing the fresh installation of Java. Okay, but for safe side, I'm deleting the existing path. You don't delete any path because other softwares will not work. So I'll delete the old version JDK 8 path. Select and delete. Now be careful, don't delete any path, otherwise other softwares will not work. Now click on new button. Click on new button. You will get one empty path here. So copy your path which you already have here. Okay, so C: program files Java JDK 14 bin. So copy this path and paste it in the empty path here. So click on new, you will get an empty path in the last, paste it here. Okay, in other operating systems, what you have to do is you have to go to the end of the path, put one semicolon, paste the new path and put one more semicolon. But in this Windows 10 operating system, you will have all the paths in different lines, so no need to put semicolon. So just after pasting that path here, clicking on the new button, okay, right, then click on OK, OK, OK 3 times. So this is how we have to set the Java path in Windows operating system. Okay, so step 5, in Windows environment variable, okay, window, select path variable. We have to select path variable under system variables. Under system variables, click on edit button. Okay, so step 7 is not compulsory. Press side arrow so that the cursor moves to the end of existing path. So this is for Windows 8.1 or before. But In Windows 10, click new option. We have to click new option or new button. Okay, so new button option. Next, we have to put semicolon at the last. Type or paste your path, Java path in the last. Okay, so now this is for okay Windows 8.1 or before. Okay, but for Windows 10, okay, simply paste the new Java path. So after pasting the new Java path, okay, which is C colon program files Java JDK 14 bin, we have to click on OK button 3 times. Okay, so step 7 and step 8 are important. Okay, if you are using Windows 8.1 or before, okay, in that case you have to follow this step, this one and this one. But in Windows 10 you have to follow new button, paste the path. Okay, so put one semicolon at the last, type or paste your Java path for Windows 8.1 or before. Okay, so also put one more semicolon in last after putting the new path in Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7 or before versions of OS. And we have to click on OK button 3 times. Right? So what is the use of this bin folder? So this bin folder contains Java compiler, Java executor files, and helps us developer to write, compile and execute Java programs on Windows system. So that is what is the specialty of setting the JDK bin path in Windows environment variables. Right. And then finally we have to verify the path. So now we'll verify the Java path configuration in our Windows operating system. So for this, step 1, we have to click on the Windows button. After clicking on the Windows button, we have to simply type CMD. So we'll get an option for command prompt application. Just click on that application. Right. So let us try to maximize this. Okay, layout here and the font size for our better view. Right, so just click on OK and maximize this. Now here we have to verify whether Java is successfully installed in our system and path is configured successfully or not. So we have to type some commands here. The first command is Java -version. Right, so the Java version which is installed is 14.0.1. Okay, next one more is javac, Java compiler, which helps us to compile our Java programs -version. Right, so javac compiler version is also 14.0.1. and optionally we can simply type javac command. We should get all the compiler related options. Okay, and similarly we can also type Java command. Okay, so when we type Java command, we should get all the Java running options. So when we get all these versions and its corresponding options, then Java is successfully installed and configured in our system for developing and running new programs or existing programs. Okay, so step 1, open system command prompt by clicking on the start button on Windows and type cmd. Select command prompt application for opening. Next, check Java versions by typing the following commands. Okay, so the commands goes like this here. First one is Java space hyphen version. Second one, Java space javac space hyphen version. Okay, so here we should get respective versions of the commands, and optionally we can also type Java compiler and Java interpreter commands. So the first command is javac and press enter, and the second command is Java and press enter. Okay, so after typing these two commands, okay, we get their respective options. Then it indicates that Java is successfully installed and configured in our Windows system for development. So for developing new programs, running new programs, or existing programs. Okay, right? And one small note point here, optionally, it's not compulsory, optionally we can run above commands from our working directory or working folder. So what is our working folder? So our working folder is G colon core Java online. Under that we have created a folder and kept it ready programs. Okay, right. So how to do this, I'll show you now. So go to the command prompt, type cls, it will clear the screen. Go to G colon. After going to G colon, change directory to core Java online. Okay, so type the folder name correctly. Now our working directory is core Java online. Under that, change directory to programs. Go to the programs folder, and under programs folder type the commands. So javac version, Java version. Okay, right. So Java space hyphen version. Okay, and then javac, we should get compiler related options, and finally Java, we should get Java runner or interpreter related options. So it means that we are able to work with Java commands in C colon as well as in G colon core Java and our working directory. Okay, so G colon, which is our working directory, core Java online program. So from here also we can run our Java commands. So now our system is ready for developing and running new Java programs and existing Java programs. So that is what is all about today's session, guys. Setting JavaPath in Windows operating system and verifying the JavaPath in Windows operating system for developing and working with Java programs. So right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.